Number 3. Emerson Window Air Conditioner. Designed for a room from 250 to 350 square feet, convenient features include electronic controls with 3 speeds, flexible cooling options and a 24-hour on-off timer. Emerson Quiet Cool Air Conditioners are a great way to beat the heat and stay comfortable. If you want to know more information on the products, we've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Don't forget to like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Number 2. Cold Front Window Air Conditioner. The air conditioner has 18,500 BTUs of cooling power and 16,000 BTUs of electric heating power. A control panel with digital temperature display and 3 fan speeds lets you control airflow with a dehumidifying mode to dry your space. Number 1. MIDEA Window Air Conditioner. A clear LED display on the front panel provides access to the following modes: timer mode, energy saver mode, and sleep mode. Unique proximity sensing mode adjusts cooling temperature based on the distance of the remote control.